QuartzMap provides a number of ways for you to customize your instance. There is both application level CSS that can be applied to the entire application, as well as a universal map CSS that can be applied to all maps. There is also a map level CSS. If you're logged in as the main admin, and only if you're logged in as the main admin, you'll see the settings tab here. If you click on that, you'll see the application level CSS that can be set here. This is the various images, as well as the overall layout for the application, as well as the map CSS. And the map CSS that we set here in the admin section will be applied to all maps. As we'll see in a moment, however, there is also map level CSS, and that map level CSS will take precedence over the CSS that is set in the main admin section here. QuartzMap provides a number of options for applying custom CSS to your instance. The CSS is divided into two types. There is application level CSS, which is applied to everything, and there is map level CSS, which is only applied to the particular map. If you are logged in as the main admin, and only if you're logged in as the main admin, you'll see the settings tab here on the left. If you click on that, here you can set the login box image, as well as the login page image, as well as custom CSS for the entire application itself here. And you can also apply map CSS. Now this map CSS will override any specific map level CSS that you apply to a particular map. Okay, so let's take a look now at applying a map level CSS. And if we go to our Simple B demo map and click on a feature here, we see that the pictures are far too big for us here. So let's see how we can use CSS to alter that. Let's go to Administration, Maps, select the map you want to edit, and then scroll down to the CSS area here. Okay, I'm actually going to take this straight from our docs here. Here's an example of how to set the pop-up size. Just going to copy that here. And just go ahead and paste that in. And update the map. And let's have a look now. Okay, so now we've used CSS to set the image size to the size that we would like. Okay, just to summarize, we looked at map level CSS, which is CSS that's applied to a particular map. We also looked at application level CSS. Application level CSS is applied to the entire QuartzMap application, and the map CSS in this section is applied to all maps. And finally, map level CSS is loaded last, which means it will take priority over any map CSS that's being applied to all maps. So that's important to keep in mind.